Welcome to my channel. As you guys have already read the title of the video, yes, Israel and US are discussing the attack on Iran, on its oil facilities or on its nuclear facility. Iran's attack on Israel was precise and targeted, mostly military infrastructure. Reports are coming that the missile might have hit expensive F-35 fighter jets parked in the air base hangars. We can't confirm that because there is media censorship across Israel. But one thing is clear, that Israel will respond 100%. Because if it won't, then it will come out to the world as a weak country. No country wants this type of public perception for itself, especially Israel, which has maintained this aura of the strongest country in the Middle East. So the question arises, what will Israel do? Knowing very well that its attack on Iran will flare up the region. And Iran has categorically said that any attack on Iran oil facility, it won't let even a single drop of oil leave this region. The reality is that Israel doesn't care if the region loses the stability. It only cares for herself. It's more of a concern for US and its European partners and other countries like India, Pakistan, Malaysia, etc. I mean, which are deeply dependent on the oil supplies. Experts are predicting that oil prices reach up to $200 per barrel at least, and markets will crash. An article, it's written $100 oil could be the October surprise no one wanted. Actually, this is very conservative forecast, but the oil prices could reach up to $200 per barrel. As you can see in the map here, most of the oil producing region of the Middle East, you can see mostly the oil is extracted from these areas which are in close proximity to Iran, right? See, the east of Saudi Arab, Kuwait, UAE, and others. And oil producing region like Iraq and Syria are controlled by Iran proxies. And the west side of Saudi Arab is not producing much of the oil. So all these areas are in very close proximity to the Iran, which means situation could be very dire. If Iran's oil production gets damaged, then most of the oil which passes through Persian Gulf, I mean, which is 20 to 30%, and 12% that passes to Suez Canal, will be in danger. This will shake up the world market. Although US is not producing its own oil, but its European partners who are already not buying gas from Russia, and huge emerging markets like India will suffer a lot. And Arab nations, knowing the consequences of attack on Iran, are rushing to shake hands with the Iranian president to improve ties, to improve bilateral relations. You can see a day following Iran's missile attack, Saudi's foreign minister met with Iran's president, stating that Saudi Arabia wants to permanently close the chapter on our differences. We have to wait and watch what comes out of this discussion in the possible strikes on Iran oil facility. Time will tell how the situation unfolds. For the time being, please subscribe to the channel. I will keep bringing more detailed videos for you.